Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get discounts or coupons for Flexjobs memberships and save money while accessing hundreds of safe remote, freelance and flexible jobs. Flexjob is a premium job platform that screens all listings to protect you from scams. While it's a paid service, there are ways to get promotional deals for membership. So once you need to open the Google Chrome browser or any of the browser you prefer. And in the top there's the search bar, type down flexshop.com and enter it over here. So once you reach into this interface, what you can do is select get started in the top right corner over here. And right into this membership interface, we could see there's an option for the 14 days full access, 3-month full access, or annual access. You can check for the current promotions and make sure that check trusted deals I like. And once you find the valid promotion, you can select the plan either for the monthly, annual, or the 14 days. And this way you'll get full access to the Flex shop at a lower cost. And once your membership is active, you can browse remote freelance. And after that, you can select to this continue. You can choose the plan you want, enter any valid promo or referral link. If you have one, you can complete a payment using credit card or PayPal. And once confirmed, your account is active and you can start applying for jobs immediately. And once your membership is active, you can use the search bar to look for the jobs by category, keywords, or experience level. Save jobs you like and set job alerts. And that's it. By following these steps, you can find a Flex shop discount or coupon, save money, and start exploring hundreds of verified flexible jobs safely. Flexjob makes it easy to find real remote work, and now you can do it at a lower cost. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.